Hi, brave friends. I have an activity. It is the Vision Board Workshop, and I would love for you to join me. This is going to be on Sunday, December 27th from 10 a.m. to noon, and it's a virtual one, so we will be using Zoom. This is going to be a fun time to get creative in looking at the goals and dreams we have for 2021. Even though we're in the middle of a pandemic, it doesn't mean that we need to put our dreams aside. There's things that we can be doing right now to make them a reality, and all we need is to create the vision to make that happen. I hope that you'll join me. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I have a dashboard that has all the resources you need to help us get ready for this fun event. You'll be able to decide if you're going to do a traditional vision board, or maybe you'll do something a little bit like me. I made a journal vision board so I could take this with me whenever I traveled this past year, which didn't really happen as much as I had hoped. But there's lots of things that you can do to get creative in bringing that vision you have in your head for your future, putting it on paper to help us keep that focus throughout this upcoming year. I'm so excited, and I know we're going to have a lot of fun. Make sure to sign up below, and please share this with family and friends that might be interested as well. It's good for girls ages 8 to, let's say, 100. If you can cut and paste, this is the workshop for you. So let's get creative together and create the vision for our new year. See you soon, sweet friends.